Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys a demo and a review as well as a wear test on this new drop by Fenty Beauty. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so let's jump right in. So I did already prep and prime my skin because as you guys can see I'm already wearing my brows and everything. I do like to do my brows first when I do my makeup. So just want to fill you guys in on what I use for prepping the skin for the rest of the products. So I did go in with this Fenty Skin moisturizer, and then I also went in with the this is the True Matte Pro Filter mattifying primer. I am combo, so I am oily on the T-zone and then I'm pretty normal to dry on the rest of my face. The reason why I'm using this one today is number one because I made sure I went ahead and hydrated. This hydrates my skin pretty well, and then also because I don't want the skin to oil up because of the products that I'm going to use today, because they are pretty hydrating. So I want my T-zone to be okay, and then I also want my makeup to just be pretty long lasting. So these are the stars of the show today. So this is the new Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener. So these are like pretty much like lightweight concealers. Now I have tried out Pumpkin as a color corrector, and then today I went to go and get this one, which is in almond butter, to go ahead and highlight because I decided that I wanted to use it as like an actual brightening a brightening concealer, because that's the whole purpose. But I also tried out this one, the brightening one. Now as I apply it, I'll go ahead and tell you guys how I feel about it, because I already got to test this one out. Because I'm really on the fence about it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I just tried a little bit, but I was like, I don't know, sometimes I have to try things more than once before I know if I like them or not. So here's the packaging. It's pretty small. It is 0.34 fluid ounces. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna take some literally on my finger, and all the color, or all the areas where I need to color correct, which is like underneath my eyes. Ooh, I put a lot there, but underneath my eyes, and then I have a light spot here, and then I like to just do this area as well. Just gonna go ahead and apply that everywhere where I need to cover up my flaws. So now I'm gonna begin to blend. So to blend out my color corrector, I am gonna use the Morphe M173 brush. I like to use a brush for these products because I feel like I want to get the most coverage out of them, and this is like something that is lightweight and light coverage. So I feel like using a brush will help me to do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. Now this product is very easy to blend, but I'm noticing using this mattifying primer, it is definitely making it a little bit harder for me to blend. So you might want to watch that if you are oily like me. Like, don't let it sit for too long. Okay, so I feel like this concealer is doing a lot better than when I first initially tried it. I'm going to be using this Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint. I wanted something that's like I've noticed that they've been giving us like, you know, that natural everyday type of makeup products. So I wanted to go ahead and pair it with this. So let's go ahead and see how it performs on this side of the face with the color corrector. I know I probably put a lot. If you are somebody who's like, girl, that's too much, you don't have to use as much as me, but this is just what I want because I'm a full coverage girl, okay? But I still want that no makeup type of look, or like just soft makeup rather. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys this brush. So this is the Real Technique 405 brush. I love this brush. So freaking nice. Okay, so here is how it is looking on my face, and I am really loving the combo of these two because honestly, just with the skin tint, the Eavesdrop skin tint, you will see my imperfections coming through my skin, but with that color corrector, I feel like I'm still feeling like my face is very lightweight, not having to do too much, and I still get that coverage and just like that beautiful youthful type of skin that I like. So I'm really liking it so far. Okay, so I was wrong about that, the color correcting one. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to almond butter. This shade is going to be used and serve as a purpose for a highlight for me personally. And in case you're wondering what color I am, because you didn't see my review, which you should watch my review if you haven't, on the Eavesdrop, I am shade 21, and this is my highlighting shade. So I'm just going to take some on my finger and I'm going to apply it. Now I'm just going to take like a dime size amount and put that onto my eyes, okay, on each side. I do honestly like a lot of coverage underneath my eyes. I'm gonna put some down my nose, even though this is like a natural everyday look, so this is kind of doing a lot, but I'm just gonna put a little bit down my nose so that we're not, because I don't know, I don't want to get too out of hand. This is an everyday look, so yeah. I'm gonna put some on my forehead as well, and then I'm gonna put some here as well. Oh yeah, and this brush is also by Real Techniques. This is the Instapop crease brush, and this is number 306. I'm liking this highlight shade for me as well, so let's blend it out because this is my first time trying this one. So let's blend it out, and to blend it out I'm going to use the Real Techniques 308 brush, and this is the medium shadow brush, but I like to use it to blend out my concealer. Okay, so I'm loving this color. This product is super easy to blend out. Now if you want something that's a lot more lighter and more natural looking, you can use a beauty blender or like a beauty sponge, whatever one you want to use. But for me, like I said, I'm trying to get as much coverage as I can out of this product, okay? Even though it's meant to be lightweight, I'm just trying, you know. I'm loving how it gives me like that brightening effect, okay? So it's doing exactly what it said it's going to do, and it's allowing me to have like a really nice feeling underneath my eyes, not too drying or too matte, and just, yeah, so this is doing really well. So now it's time for me to set everything in place. I'm going to be using this Fenty Pro Filter Loose Setting Powder, and this one is in Honey. I'm just going to try and lightly dust that. I am oily, so I am very, you know, mindful when I'm using powder, because I know that it can either make my makeup last really long or make me look crazy, so I'll tread lightly. So yeah, I'm just going to tap it in. I don't want to use too much because I don't want to take away from like how natural my face is looking. So let's not do too much. So yeah, I'm just pressing the powder into my skin so that it can kind of like just set it. And I'm not going to put any more. I'm just going to use on this side like what I have left on the brush, because I just don't, I want to keep that natural look, but at the same time I want to lock in this concealer because I get really oily in this area and we don't have time for that. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys which brush this is. So this is another Real Technique brush. This is their setting brush, and it's the number 402. So to set the rest of my face, I'm actually not going to be contouring. Usually when I do like more of an everyday type of look, I don't contour necessarily. I just like to bronze. But anyways, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation, and I am in the shade, what shade am I in again? Oh yeah, I'm in the shade 450. How could I forget that? And to apply it, I'm going to be using another Real Techniques brush. This is the 202. This is the Instapop face brush. I'm just going to push the powder into my skin. I feel like this is giving very flawless. I love it, and I didn't even use that much, so yeah, it's definitely giving what needs to be gave. So I'm gonna go in and bronze my face. I'm gonna use these two Sunstalker bronzers. I'm going to be using Mocha Mami and a little bit of Thick Mint because it is a little bit dark for me, but I do like it to like show a lot. So just gonna mix the two and bronze up my face. So to set my face, I'm going to be using this Baby What It Do. This is the travel size because I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. But I think I am liking it. I still have to keep using it before I know. I don't know. But it's okay. It's not like the worst, not the best. Just, I don't know. So for the rest, I'm not going to apply any eyelashes or anything. I'm just going to use my Fenty Full Frontal Mascara. And then I'm going to be just applying my Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream and Fenty Glow. Okay, divas, so I'm pretty much done with everything. My whole entire face and everything got dressed. So I am going to do a wear test for you guys. So we are going to see how these bad boys hold up today. So I did give you guys an update on Pumpkin. So I feel like it did not last, like, but I think that it did. It was an error that I made because I only used a moisturizer, because it's seeming like it's gonna do better now. But this is how my face looks. So I love how it has like that really natural glowy type of look, and I feel like that's what Fenty has been going for lately, like something that's just more soft and natural. And honestly, like, I'm here for it. I'm really loving it. I'm just surprised. Like, I love the way everything looks, and I'm not even wearing lashes. That is just crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna go and do my thing for some hours. Maybe I'll be out maybe like 5 to 6 hours, and then I'll come back to you guys to show you guys my face and everything. I'm not going to blot or anything because I want you guys to see like how all the products hold up together, of course, with this. So I just want you guys to kind of see like how it holds up, and then also, of course, I'm going to tell you guys my final thoughts about this. I feel like I can give you guys like how I feel about it because I've already worn it, and then also because I'm gonna wear it out today, so I'll be able to give you the final verdict. So I'll be back later. Okay, you guys, so I am back with the wear test, and it's been quite a while. That's why I probably look all like just shaken up and just probably really crazy. But however, we are back, and this is what it's looking like. I did not blot. Now, I did mess up my makeup a little bit right here because I did scratch it, but you can't really tell unless you look close. But I like scratched it, and I scratched off some of the makeup with my like nails. So, but yeah, other than that, let me get a little bit closer so you guys could like see everything that's going on in my face, because I'm not sure if you guys could see it from that far. Now we're up close and personal. So yeah, as you guys can see, like, I am a bit like dewy, not necessarily oily, I don't think. Well, yeah, in this area I am oily. So I am oily usually in my target areas, but I feel like everything is holding up and looking good. Like, literally, if I blot, I will be fine. So I think that's good. And this is the end of like my day. Like, I'm about to wash it off after I finish this video, and I still feel like it looks very good, very long wearing. And yeah, I feel like it looks really good. You guys could let me know. Now, will you have to blot, especially if you are oily like me? Yes, you are still gonna have to blot. It's a part of life, okay? It's gonna have to be done. But I feel like overall the products are very long lasting, and they do work, and they look so freaking good. I love the way this brightener looks underneath the eyes. So let's go ahead and get into that. And I'm actually gonna blot my face because I just thought about it, like, I need to take pictures after this. So yeah, I'm gonna blot my face, and then we're going to talk about like the claims of the foundation by Fenty. Or the concealer, not foundation. So now I'm gonna read straight from the site about what it is. So once again, this is the Bright Fix Eye Brightener Concealer. That's the formal name for it, by Fenty Beauty, okay? So I'm just gonna read from the details. It says what it is: under eye brightener that hydrates, brightens, and conceals with sheer to buildable coverage, delivering no makeup effect, and long wear formula. So I do feel like this is a very long wear formula. It is not full coverage, but you can build it up without it looking cakey. I think that I put like a medium amount. So yeah. Oh yeah, you could kind of see where I scratched it, but just look at this side because I'm the one that messed this up. But yeah, like, you can see like that it is like a very nice coverage. It does give you like that brightening effect. The coverage, they claim for it to be light, which is true. The finish is natural, which is true. Formulation is liquid. It says what else you need to know. The Bright Eye Fix Brightener Concealer. That is a long name. Has a serum-like texture that instantly brightens and blurs with a crease, humidity, and sweat-resistant formula. So I haven't sweated in this, but it has held up pretty good. So I would say that it is like very long wearing, even though, you know, it is very hydrating and everything. I'm not like creasing up or anything, so that's really good. Overall, I want to tell you guys, and now that I showed you guys like basically like my demo and everything that I've done, I want to tell you guys, do I think it's worth it to get these? So I do. Honestly, I do. And the reason being is because obviously like we're in the hotter months now and we're approaching summer. You're gonna need something that's lightweight, okay? We're not trying to put on the cake makeup for the summer, okay? Because it's just gonna slide right off of our face. We need something that have a good coverage. It's buildable. You know, if you want to do extra the most, it's buildable, and then it's still not going to give you that cake effect. You need something that's just like very easy and everything. And I'm just really gravitating towards like this more like less is more type of look. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or what, like, but I feel like this looks really good. I definitely could see myself wearing this every day because it looks good. Now, although I might pair it with, because I just picked up some more. This is a side note, sorry, that's what I do. But this Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, I think I'm going to pair it with this next. And if you guys want a video on that, I will do that. While I do really love this little Eavesdrop skin tint, I just love that Longwear foundation. Like, it's just amazing. So yeah, so it's nothing against the Eavesdrop, it's just that I really do like that foundation, so I might pair that with this. But anyways, do I think you guys should get this? Yes, I think that these are really nice. I think that they really deliver and do what they say they're gonna do, and I kind of wanted to give you guys a color corrector as well as a brightener to kind of show you guys, so you can see like if you just want a color corrector or do you want the actual brightener. And I feel like both is necessary, but if you just want one or the other, you definitely could just get one. You don't have to get two. I feel like the price point is really good as well. I feel like this is a decent amount of product as well, so overall I would get it. Like, I like it. I'm gonna be using this. You guys are definitely gonna be seeing this in my makeup videos, so I say go for it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in these, I will try to link them in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out to see if I linked it there. If not, you guys know that they sell these at Sephora as well as FentyBeauty.com. So yeah, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know, did you try these? Are you gonna try these? What color did you get? How did you like it? Did you like the coverage? Are you on the fence because you don't know about the coverage? Just talk to me. I'm nosy. I want to know what you're gonna do. Okay, what are you gonna do, girl? Be sure to go ahead and also subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.